Welcome to the FlexiNet training guide. In this video, we'll be explaining how to download CallSwitch Communicator on your iPhone and Android device. For the purpose of this video, we'll be installing on an iPhone. You will need your server or host details, username and password handy. Firstly, open the iOS App Store or Google Play Store. Search for CallSwitch Communicator 6. Download the app. When the download is complete, open the app. If you have the QR code, you can select Scan QR Code option. Otherwise, enter your email, password and host. Please note the QR code will only work the first time you log in. If it's your first time logging in, you'll need to enter a new password. For the first time installing, depending on your phone, you'll be asked to grant various permissions including microphone access, access to your contacts, camera access, and do not disturb access. We kindly request you grant the app access to all of these to ensure proper function of the app. If you're using an Android device, when you log in, please navigate to Settings, General, and select Use SIP over mobile networks. For iOS devices, this is ticked as default. When complete, you'll be presented with the dial pad. To make a call, simply dial the required number. From here, you can mute the call, put the call onto your loudspeaker, place the call on hold, transfer the call, invite others to the call for a conference, or use the dial pad to enter numbers for auto attendance. To transfer a call, select Transfer, then either enter a number or select a contact. When transferring, you have the option to either direct transfer the call, which means that the call goes straight to the receiving party, or you can click Attended Transfer, which allows private call to your colleague first, allowing you to check their availability prior to passing the customer across. Other key features of the app are Directory. Here you can find your colleagues and it will show their status too. The contacts at the top will show your own mobile contacts. Chats are where your instant messages with colleagues are displayed. Conference allows you to make calls to your external conference facility straight from the app. And the dashboard states the calls you've made and received, and also allows you to tweak the functions of your user, such as changing the number you present out, do not disturb, and call forwarding. You'll also notice the edit button on the top right. This allows you to change the icons you see at the bottom. Simply drag them onto the icon you wish to swap out. If you close the app, it will continue to run in the background, allowing you to make and receive calls over your 4G, 5G or Wi-Fi. To stop the app from receiving calls, click on the More button, then select Quit, then select Quit again. To start the app again, simply open the app up and you'll begin to receive calls again. If you select Sign Out, you will need to re-enter your username, password and host. Thank you for watching the FlexiNet guide on how to set up and use CallSwitch Communicator on your mobile. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and check out our other videos for further tips. And remember, let us know when you're next reviewing your hosted setup and see how we can help you get the most from your communications.